My name is Jessica and I am super excited about this brand new workshop. People and instructors have been asking me to do a training on how to grow your Facebook groups for about a year. And it's finally here, so I'm really excited to release this new training. It's going to be a 4-day workshop. Who is this training for? If you are a group fitness instructors, I have a soft spot for Zumba instructors. That's why I keep saying Zumba, but really any group fitness instructor is welcome and invited. If you're wanting to grow your classes, maybe you teach in person or virtual or both or do a hybrid. If you want those classes to grow, then this training is for you. If you use Facebook, if you use Facebook to grow your classes, this training is for you. If you already have a Facebook group or if you want to open a Facebook group, this training is for you. Maybe you want to open a Facebook group, but you don't know how, or you've been a little bit scared, or you don't know how to start. We're going to cover all of that in the workshop as well. So during this 4-day workshop, what are we going to do? You're going to do 3 things. You're going to get a makeover. Yes. So if you don't have a group and you want to open one, you're going to learn everything that you need to do to open that group. So what are the settings? What should the cover have? What should it not have? What should you name your group? All the things. If you already have a Facebook group, we're going to give you a makeover so that your Facebook group is attractive, right? People want to click on it, want to join it, want to recommend it. So I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know, what you need to put in the settings, how to structure your group so that you look like a rock star, it looks like a rock star, everybody is getting value out of that space. Yes? Second thing you're going to do is you're going to enroll students. So we're going to talk all about, okay, now that your Facebook group is looking awesome, what needs to happen inside of it, right? Content, engagement, and conversion are the magic words. What to post is going to be your content. How to get people to engage on your Facebook group, and then how to convert watchers, right? People who are just watching your content and convert them into actual students, into paying students. So we're going to talk all about that as well. And then number 3, we're going to talk about how to grow your group. Now that you look like a rock star, it's a party in your group. Well, how do we invite more people to it so that more people can benefit from that too? You're going to learn all of that. You're going to get the replays. So you're going to get lifetime access to those replays. You're also going to get personal feedback on your homework. Yes, there is homework. I want to see you move forward in your business and move forward with your fitness career. So there's going to be some steps, some homeworks to move you forward. You're going to get to post that homework. And if you're brave enough to post it, then I'm going to make sure to give you personal feedback so that you are performing at your best. Yes, my job as a coach is to push you to perform at the best level that you are at. So you're going to get the replays, you're going to get personal feedback. You're also going to get 2 really awesome checklists. Right? Checklist number 1 is the makeover. So whether you're opening a brand new group or you're rebranding your new group, all the checklists of all the things that you need to make sure that you have done, the cover, so that you have a plan and you know exactly where you're at and what you need to work on. You're also going to get a to-do list. Right? Okay, now that everything is now that you're looking like a rock star, well then what do I have to do? How many times do I have to post? How many people do I have to invite? Like, what would be the to-do list to maintain and grow your Facebook group in a way that's not overwhelming for you? Because you are an instructor, I'd rather you be dancing than spending all your time on social media. So I want to make sure that when you're on social media, you are efficient so that you get back to dancing. Yes, you're going to get replays, the personal feedback, the workbook, the checklist, and this was my favorite one, guys. You're going to get a 90-day posting calendar for your group. Isn't that crazy? That is super crazy. So you're going to get 90 days of what to post in your group so that, again, you're efficient at social media so that you get back to the dancing. And you get all of that. The replays, the feedback, the workbook, the 2 awesome checklists, and the 90-day calendar for just $47. Right? One payment of $47 gets you all of that. We get to hang around together for 4 days, and it's going to be awesome. You're totally going to rock your Facebook group. So click the link below, go out there and make it happen. Bye.